Are you looking to make a vintage style hair accessory but don't know where to start? Well, today I'll show you how to create this 1920s Art Deco inspired headband. I'll give you all the steps you need to make one yourself. Here's all the materials needed. Let's start by decorating the base. You'll need a cup chain that's 4 mm wide, with 77 cups in total. Cut the piece off with your side cutters. It should measure about 34.5 centimeters in length if you're using the same 4 mm wide cup chain as I am. Here's how to attach the cup chain to the headband. This forms the foundation for your Art Deco design. Take your 28 gauge wire. This is a finer wire perfect for wire wrapping the cup chain to the base. Secure one end by wrapping it tightly around the headband a few times, near where you want your decoration to start. Press the end down with the chain nose pliers. Lay your cup chain on top of the headband. Now, carefully wrap the wire around the headband and between the gaps in the cup chain. Pull it snug each time. You want the chain to sit securely without wobbling. Continue wrapping along the length of the headband you want decorated. Keep your wraps neat. Once you reach the end, secure the wire by wrapping it tightly around the headband a few times, then snip off the excess and tuck the end in safely with your pliers. This base provides the perfect anchor for our next, more dramatic step, the arches. Now for the Art Deco elements. Take your 26 gauge wire, the slightly thicker one to add more structure. Cut a generous piece, about 150 centimeters. Find the middle by folding it in half. Place the folded loop end right at the beginning of your cup chain decoration on the headband. Secure it by wrapping it around the headband and between the first and the second cup on the chain a couple of times. Bring the wires together and twist them a couple of times. Now, treating the two strands of wire as one, start threading on your pearls. First, add 3 4 mm beads followed by a 6 mm bead. But you can create a sequence you prefer if this one isn't to your liking. This will form one side of your arch. To decorate the highest point of your arch, thread on one of your 8mm sew-on rhinestones. This will be the centerpiece of the arch. Then continue threading pearls on to the other side, mirroring the first half of your arch pattern. Carefully shape your beaded wire into a beautiful arch over the headband. You need to attach the end 9 cups away from where you started. Count along your base chain from 1 to 9. Once you find the 9th cup, wrap the 2 wire ends securely around the headband and base chain at that point. There's your first arch. Now, you need to leave a small gap before starting the next arch. Count 2 empty cups along the base chain. This space is important for our next decorative element, which I'm going to show you in a bit. Repeat this entire process. Thread your pearls and central 8mm rhinestone. Form the arch and attach it 9 cups further along. Continue creating these arches, leaving a 2-cup gap between each one. You should make 7 of these arches. Take your time with this and make sure everything is secure. The 1920s were all about bold geometric shapes and opulence, and hair accessories reflected that. Bandeaus, tiaras, and headbands adorned with feathers, pearls, and rhinestones were incredibly popular among flappers and fashionable women. When you get to the end, wrap each wire around the headband a few times. Then cut the ends off with your side cutters and press them down with the chain nose pliers. This is how the headband looks with all the arches. Let's add one more layer of sparkle in those gaps we left between the arches. For those small decorations, cut smaller pieces of the 26 gauge wire, about 20 centimeters long. You're going to need 6 pieces of wire to decorate the gaps. Thread the wire through the holes at the back of the 6mm sew-on rhinestone. Leave one of the wires longer than the other. Then bring the 2 wires together. Now thread one of your 8mm pearls onto both wires, letting it sit snugly underneath the rhinestone. Position this little cluster right in the middle of one of the 2 cup gaps between your arches. Wrap the wire ends firmly around the headband base. Then take the shorter wire and wrap that around the headband base a few more times. Snip the excess wire and tuck in the end. Take the longer piece of wire and wrap it around the base of the pearl, securing the decoration in place. Then wrap the remaining wire around the headband base a couple of times and cut the excess wire off. Repeat this process, creating one of these pearl and rhinestone clusters for every 2 cup gap between your arches. It fills the space beautifully and adds that extra touch of authentic 1920s opulence and geometric repetition. And there you have it. Your very own Art Deco inspired headband. Take a moment to check all your wire ends are tucked in smoothly and gently shape any arches if needed. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate anyone taking the time to do that. Let me know in the comments what you thought, or if you plan on making one. Are there any other vintage eras you'd love to see tutorials for? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.